Hey guys, Andrew here, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your messenger ringtone. So if you're currently using Facebook Messenger a lot and you would like to change that annoying ringtone that you're getting, this is how you do it. So once you're on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone or your iOS device, it doesn't matter, go ahead and open up the Messenger application, and once you're inside Messenger guys, go ahead and click the tree, go ahead and access the menu whether on the top left or the bottom right, and from here click on settings option there. Now you want to scroll down guys to where you'll find the option that says notifications and sound. Tap on that, and from here you will see that, but also you will see a section that says ringtone. Now if you tap on that, you have a list of different ringtones that you can choose. So here you can see that it says messenger, but I'm going to click through a few of them and show you basically how they sound. So you just need to scroll through and select the one that you want, and once you're done, just simply hit the back button on the bottom there and you'll be able to save it automatically. So let's say I want to choose feel good. I can select feel good and I can go ahead and I can choose it. Now I just realized that I have my phone on mute, so I'm going to go ahead and turn it up a bit so that you can hear what it sounds like. Hear that? That's a very popular one. And that's it. So once you select it guys, as you can see, my new ringtone now set to joyful steps. And that's it. Very easy and very simple how to change your Facebook Messenger ringtone. That's it guys. Thank you guys for watching.